been here 17 years, so it took me that long to figure out how to do this and how to do it right. This is my design. I mean, I gave him the covered door with the color, and you know, I picked the granite. I mean, just everything. I'm blown away by them. You know, this is an old house. Nothing was square. Everything was tilted, cockeyed, crooked. You know, they did their very, very best to even it out. You know, to do the things they needed to do. Very caring, very conscientious. So I'm more than pleased with them.